What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna do a video because we're preparing for the Hurricane Nate or Hurricane Nate. It's not a bad hurricane. It's only Category 2, I think. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna show you what we have done for this hurricane. We're not gonna have power. We're probably not gonna have water, but I think we will. But there's gonna be loads of power outages, blackouts. Who knows? So this is what we've done. Nothing but drinks. And up here, we're just no one cooking, so we freaking pack down. We have ice chest full of drinks, full of ice. Well, we're gonna fill it up. It's so super hot right now. It's super hot. There's the sun, but you can't see it because of the clouds. I love hurricanes. I hate tornadoes. I love storms. Just during a hurricane, you're gonna have a tornado. You know, that's what does the most damage. So really, we have a lot of stuff back here that's gonna get blown around. Like a lot. Wood probably. I think the wood get blown around. That's gonna get blown around. Then we have a fire pit. We have two. Well, one. We moved that all back there. Since it's like being blocked by everything. Like there's a house there, trees there, shed here. Okay, this is all definitely gonna get destroyed. This is all gonna be gone. These are does she want to take these down? These are gonna be destroyed, I know that. We took our swing down. This is gonna get ripped off. The screens are probably gonna get busted. The fences are gonna get destroyed. This is going to suck. Right now the wind speeds are like 80 to 100, I think. So, yeah. It's gonna suck. Y'all know my friend Gage. I do videos with them all the time. If you see my previous videos, he's in them all the time. But yeah, I think he's preparing right now too, which he needs to go somewhere else because he lives in a trailer, so that bitch is just gonna get blown around. So yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. Look at these Jordans. Okay, so I'm fixing to show y'all the news. Where's my controller? And just like that, my controller is gone. There it is. Okay. I'm fixing to show y'all the news on my Xbox One. I used to have a PlayStation. I don't know if y'all saw that, but I switched because I hated PlayStation. PlayStation sucks. Get Xbox. Oh, shit. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So this is... Okay, guys, this is what happened.
About 7 a.m. Since then, a non-stop wave of people have been coming through and making those sandbags. This location and 4 others are now open 24/7 for people to make those sandbags. We've seen this non-stop wave of people coming through with their shovels and sandbags, loading them up into the backs of their trucks.
Hold on, let me turn this up.
The city's recent issues with its pumps, they're not taking any chances. In fact, I spoke to one woman making sandbags this morning who said,
Okay, this is for sandbags in New Orleans. I'm not looking for New Orleans. I'm looking for here. Alright, here we go.
Expectations. This is not a Harvey. This is not an Irma. This is not a Maria. It's none of those storms. So let's keep that in mind here, because a lot of people seem to have been getting a little panicked with this coming in. Rainfall totals, again, it's east of here. Gulfport, Mobile, Pensacola, that's kind of the swath, and then inland we'll see the rain. And speaking of inland, this is going to bring some energy. It's going to mash up with a front to the west, so it will have some winds inland. So, you know, up towards Atlanta, north of that,
That's
into
where I
Tennessee,
live.
showers
Right there.
and some wind too. 3 to 4 inches, 5 inches, but again, this is where you're getting into the higher
Okay.
elevations, squeeze a little more out. Asheville as well, you could see that some of that rain too. Now here in Louisiana, we do have a few mandatory evacuations, and they're in the areas outside of the levee system. You know, there's this coastal
Yeah,
parishes
that's what's
that
happening right
get
now.
inundated very easily by just even the slightest push of water. That's where they're concerned. Also concerns
No.
over Pensacola Beach, where Reynolds Wolf is looking.
Get out of here. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. So I will be recording today. I will be recording throughout the whole hurricane. Well, you know, I'm gonna clip out some parts, but yeah, the whole hurricane I'm gonna record it. So yeah, peace.